Ignite was a 3-night interactive and experiential initiative by brands at Cloud Forest, Gardens by the Bay. We wanted to transform the iconic venue into a kaleidoscope of light and excitement. Our purpose behind the initiative was twofold. Firstly, we wanted to take the visitors on a journey of self-discovery and realization. Secondly, through a technologically driven showcase of creativity and innovation at this venue, we wanted visitors to experience nature and the nocturnal world at Cloud Forest in a way they've never experienced before.
The idea for Ignite SG was inspired from the new tagline for brands, Feel a Better Me. It was conceptualized to allow people to explore a stimulating new environment, to find themselves and unlock their inner potential. A trip of self-discovery to a better me. We designed everything from content to AV system to be used, including the interactive application that visitors use throughout the journey in the Cloud Forest. We use Panasonic laser projectors for these reasons. Powerful and high contrast imagery that ensure a clear picture always, even on very unconventional canvas. The 3-chip DLP laser projectors PT RZ31K has the brightness to perform and deliver the visuals we wanted in the Cloud Forest. It is also one of the objectives of showing the green synergy, as laser projectors are easier to maintain, more sustainable, and very energy efficient. Like this projection mapping on the foliage measuring about 8 to 10 meters in height requires real good, powerful projectors to deliver the brightness we wanted. So 2 of the very unconventional canvases that we talk about in this very natural setting is projection on the waterfall and on the rock face. I think this is something very unique blend of seeing nature and technology working in synergy.
Nature and technology are very often viewed as adversaries, but it doesn't have to be the case. Through this event, we hope that our projection mapping can enhance and bring out the beauty of nature. Panasonic is an ISO 14001 accredited company, and we are committed to providing high-quality products and eco-friendly solutions so that we can build a better world, a better life.